guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This outfit, this vibe is doing the most. I feel like I should be in a music video. The dark lips, super matte. I'm feeling very, actually I'm feeling kind of like Demi Lovato vibes, yeah? If anything, please give me a like for the thumbnail. This box is heavy, girl. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is none other than Fashionphile. I am a Fashionphile blogger. I have had the honor to go over to Carlsbad, California if you are looking for the best. And I don't just mean new, you know, there's a lot of Instagram stores now, a lot of Instagram shops, resellers, personal shoppers, so on and so forth, who are doing all new, heaps of Hermes new, heaps of Chanel new. If you're looking for that in sort of a larger degree, larger amount, different styles, you know, I see these Instagram girls and it's just kind of like Kelly, 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 and I'm just sort of like, you need to vary it up. Not everyone's out there for a, you know, a quota bag and resale, which will be 2.5 times the amount as retail. I did mention in my Hermes haul that these guys are laughing, and that point was made simply because of the quote-unquote recession, quote-unquote sort of inflation that we're having in product, in trade, in everything in the world because of obviously the pandemic. However, these guys are laughing because with the price increases for the actual brands and not being able to necessarily get your hands on the items you want, you can get them in really good, if not new, perfect condition from these consignment reseller stores like Fashionphile. It is in your cart, you have paid for it, it is on the dock, it is on the plane or wherever it's coming from, the truck, and it's on your doorstep. They stand by that truthfully. I've said it before a million times, I swear they undergrade their items. They really do. When you get an item, if it says excellent, it's basically new. I kid you not. And yes, it's like, oh, Jerusha pushes Fashionphile. I've pushed them from the beginning, sister. So sit down. I was there from the beginning. I was there from when Sarah and Ben started this company from scratch. Now they have huge array of reach because they are partnering with Neiman Marcus to hand in and get quotes for items with them. The last point I will make about the one and only Fashionphile, not only were they one of the most, you know, out the gate starting companies that really made a dent in consignment, pre-love, resale in luxury brand items. Really, their amazing authentication team and really settling and securing the understanding that it's authentic. It was during a stage that, you know, eBay was just taking over with possible fakes. We were all feeling uncertain. Your 2012 sort of time where we didn't really know, or we were trying to work out how it's authentic. These guys solidified that feeling that you were not being caught off guard. This is how it arrives, always in a Fashionphile box, always perfectly presented, wrapped in tissue and stuffing, and they always have done their confetti on the bottom, their pink and grey confetti on the bottom. It's just, you know, it's fun, and that shows what Ben and Sarah are like. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. It was floating on top, but we have this guy, confetti everywhere. Thank you from the bottom of this box. It's just fun, you know what I mean? They're quirky, okay? They're quirky, they're Google, they're Apple, they're fun. These are the two items that I grabbed off the site. Let's start with this guy, shall we? Because it's, you know, everyone wants to just get to the bag or the big items. This is gonna be fun. I just said that before because it is a, I don't want to say, yeah, I do want to say regrets. It is a regrets purchase, okay? Regrets. I definitely have to do that video. I think Amber did it. I said it in another video. I think Amber did it. Or did Amber do if money wasn't a object? I think Did Minnie do regrets? Maybe Minnie did regrets video. However, I will go over my regrets video. What I regret selling. Every item will have, it will list what it comes with. So for example, this listing, this bag said it came with its original dust bag. You know, if it's Vuitton, it says keys and lock and clochette, and then it says in here strap, things like that. CELINE boxes are so beautiful. CELINE's everything is so beautiful. It is so much like, it reminds me so much of Saint Laurent. They just do it really, really nicely. Such good quality. All of this is. So you can see the drawstring there on the bag, the dust bag. And in here is a bag I have already had. I have already had this, and I have already had this from Fashion File. I did the unboxing of this, I want to say it was like 2017, was it? I'm not quite sure. We lose track, okay? We lose track after like 14 years, sister. 14 years, okay? I got this CELINE luggage in the nano size from Fashion File originally. Did I shop it when I was there? See, I'm feeling like it came back, so that would have been 2017. I think I shopped it when I was there, which is kind of even worse to have let it go. I bought it in the tangerine, and it was in the drummed leather, which again, I love pebbled leather. This is in the smooth. This is a smooth calf skin as well, so it probably will be prone to scratching. It is literally like a deep caramel. It's coming across a bit terracotta on the lights right now. I'll do cutaways so you can sort of see it, but look at that. The reason we got it back, big regret. This, if you are a crossbody girl, a crossbody bag girl, and you're taller and curvier like me, such a great size. It is that throw on and go size. However, you have that tote kind of feature just in and out, no flaps to deal with, but you have that kind of convenience and security of a top zipper, very much like a Speedy. As it says, it comes with box, dust bag and strap, and it says that because this strap on the nano is detachable. The sizes on this CELINE luggage is, I'm gonna say, quite confusing, because the micro, okay, so this is nano, but the micro, I'm gonna say it's pretty large. And in my video of the tangerine that when I unboxed or showed it to you guys, I think I said it then, the micro, and then I think it's micro, then small, I'm not quite sure. They really vary in size, because that small is the, you know, it's got the real winged sides to it, very slouchy, that kind of Olsen twins circa 2005 sort of vibe. Big oversized knit sweaters, love it. This size, being the nano, is far more sort of, you know, put together, very tight, very neat. It doesn't sort of have that oversized look. So I'm going to bring this up nice and close. Again, I'm probably going to have to do cutaways to really show you the type of leather this is. If you have touched Swift leather from Hermes, or yeah, I wouldn't say Chanel calf. I would probably say Chanel lamb. It's not as puffy as lamb, it's a little bit stiffer, but it's definitely delicate. I do prefer the drummed leather. However, in this color, I knew from the boutique or knew online on CELINE or 24S, shout out, stay tuned. They had the drummed, but not in this beautiful caramel. It's just so gorgeous. Going into fall up there in the northern hemisphere, hello. So fall, so gorgeous. So you have the CELINE Paris stamping there in gold. So you have the little zipper on the front with the toggle. It is actually a functioning pocket. I mean, you would fit a hair tie or Tic Tacs down in there, but it's a functioning pocket nonetheless. The gorgeous details, all of the stitching on the side. This was always an interesting point about the luggage. I think they said this was either sunglasses holders, correct me if I'm wrong, to pop your sunglasses in there, or a scarf holder. Listen, okay, I'm a little unclear on the situation of this, but it looks like a belt loop. This was listed as excellent, I swear. It doesn't even look used. No feet on the bottom. It just sort of has these reinforced leather, all the stitching and everything, so I wouldn't be concerned putting this down on a seat and things like that with it possibly getting scratched on the base there. A beautiful little Celine Paris engraving there on the side, and they are just like a leash kind of toggle, which is quite nice to get it on and off. It's not small or anything, it just gets on that D-ring nicely. So a completely detachable strap is just, you know, I feel like now that Louis Vuitton have really got their hands on straps and chains and they're just kind of going crazy because they're all over the place, you know, these houses did it right from the start. To have a detachable strap is just bang for your buck. Don't mean to be crass. I will tell you, these are the sizes. This is the size, no joke, of a Birkin 25 top handle. In fact, probably maybe a couple of centimeters wider. This is the size of a Birkin 25. They're absolutely tiny. Yes, that's a 25 Kelly. However, that's a different shape than the Birkin, and the Birkin 25 is for little minute girls out there. The handles are very, very tight. I'm not gonna lie on that. It slips inside, and the inside of this bag is beautiful. So it all comes stuffed from Fashion File. This came with all its tags and care cards as well, which was very nice. The interior of this bag is one really beautiful deep compartment there, and you get the back slip compartment there that has no closure on top of it, and it says made in Italy there on a tab. And this just, you know, nicely sort of fits cards. I wouldn't shove my phone in it. That will definitely stretch it out. And then with the same tag here, you have the zipper. This is all in a vintage brushed brassy kind of hardware. There's many different hardwares for these luggages. I'm pretty sure there's like a kind of pewter silver as well. I can't remember what my tangerine was. I feel like it was more gold, but this is like the vintagey, dusty kind of, yeah. Zipper is so smooth. You just saw me close it. Like absolute butter. I swear this has not been used, but I wanted it back in my collection. It was a regret. It was a regret because it was just, I really used that tangerine one. I used it, and I used it a lot. So when this color came up on Fashion File, I hearted it, I liked it, and then I just went for it. I added to cart, and here it is. So I will give you the prices from the website. This came out as 1,800 US dollars. That, even as a conversion to Australian dollars, is still a massive saving. This is quite pricey, new from the boutique. All the sizes are quite pricey, but again, like Saint Laurent, you're getting the most beautiful quality in bags. All their new bags, the Triumph, the everything. And this Celine kind of slips under the radar, and it's sort of more trendy kind of blogger style, and that's cool. With the mainstream brands, you know, we go for them, we put them out there a lot, but the quality is just, it's next level with these guys. They really, the attention to detail is beautiful. Yes, it came with its camellia and ribbon. It wasn't wrapped like this. I re-wrapped it for the video, so it looked really pretty. I mean, honestly, what is a luxury haul video without a cement cutter and jigsaw next door going off in your ear? So this came with its box, with its dust bags, and all its cards as well. So that is that. As I said, it will always come with a Fashion File dust bag, always. That's their amazing, amazing advertising and merch and way to, you know, have their stamp inside the items as well. So if it doesn't come with a dust bag on the listing, it will come with a Fashion File dust bag. So that's so nice as well. I don't know if other consignment companies do it, but just to keep your product in pristine condition. A repurchase of the mini O case from Chanel, caviar leather, champagne gold hardware, black with the beautiful rouge drill lining on the zipper. Had it, sold it, regret it. Again, security tags. This is the gorgeous item. Look how shiny that is coming up. Again, we will do cutaways. Caviar leather is so gorgeous. So again, it is the small O case. It is not the biggest sort of size. I think this is probably more comparable to a mini pochette, except not in the depth. I used mine beyond the one that I first had. Here is its authenticity card there, the tags as well. So down inside we just see the one compartment, the beautiful rouge drill, Chanel made in Italy, stamped there on the back, and just so gorgeous. I think this was listed in good condition, was it? See, this is what I mean, good condition. There is a little bit of rubbing on the corners, completely normal, no odor, nothing. Honestly, it's just immaculate. This little guy I definitely wanted back because it is so handy as another kind of catch-all down inside your bag. Yes, I did used to have them in quite a few, like, array of colors. My SLG collection was getting out of hand, so we parted with it, and yes, we regretted it. My second item, and I will tell you the price on that. It did have a discount on it, $95, and it was $900 US. So again, still under retail even in Australia, and just beautiful, like just beautiful. So that is it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed that double unboxing from Fashion File, getting back my CELINE Nano luggage and got back my beautiful small O case from Chanel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. I'd super appreciate that, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.